Welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a Mardi Gras themed mani using butterfly dips. This trio was gifted to me after I had purchased some other dips from her. So I'm really liking the coverage of these colors. One layer, and this is what it looks like. I'm not really sure why I went out of order here, but I went from my thumb to pinky back to my index and then ring finger. I'm just gonna go ahead and speed up the rest of this video and I'll pop back in a bit. So I decided that I wanted some more glitter, so for my index finger and my ring finger I'm going to do an ombre. So after a layer of base, I'm going to take this old makeup brush and just tap some of the color onto my nail. Once I'm kind of happy with how that looks, I'm just going to apply some base in certain spots so that I can apply some of the bigger pieces of glitter. So then I'm going to go ahead and pick up the chunky pieces and place them where I like them. I'm going to do the exact same thing on the ring finger. So as I did this part, I kind of realized my index finger didn't have as many of those smaller glitters, so I'm just going to hand place some of the smaller pieces onto it. I'm going to go in with Ultra Clear from Kozmik nails, and I'm going to encapsulate everything. You're going to notice two different size jars here. Small one has been contaminated by glitter, so I use that one for my glitter. Once that's dry, I'm going to go in with a scrub brush and make sure I get all of the extra powder off. Now I'm going to go in with the activator. When that's hardened, I'll go in and file. I start with going around the edges first, and then I go over the tops. I'm going to go in with my 2-in-1 No Wipe Gel Top Coat from Kozmik Nails. You'll cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. I'll be going in with the cuticle oil that came in the package. I ended up accidentally twisting it and using way too much just on my thumb. You'll see I was taking it from my thumb to put onto the rest of my nails. And this is the finished look. I'm super happy with how it turned out. I really like this green. Everything will be linked in the description box down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.